My name is Todd. I work at C&W Custom Woodworking. I'm shop foreman. On the side for relaxation, I got into turning bolts. Well, I worked for my father for 16, 17 years. He's turned stuff, and I've made some tables and stuff. I decided to buy a lathe 4 years ago and just started turning bolts. Liked it, and it's just relaxing. This is a cherry bowl. This is the first bowl I made in 2016. It's just not very good. The outside shape's not too bad. The inside's not very good. I actually turned this one last night. This one's not completely done. I haven't sanded the inside of it, but I'm probably going to stain it green. It's basically like a candy dish. I've kind of got into that style now. I like that round, simple. They say all bowl makers get a certain style. Well, I guess that one's mine. This is called a live edge bowl, and this is actually hedge apple or Osage. The big green balls that you see driving down the road, that's what the wood looks like. Monkey brains, yes. And it is orange. When you turn it, the shavings come out orange. Okay, this is what happens when a bowl explodes. Sounded like a gun explode. I mean, it just kaboom. And pieces of it stuck in the ceiling. And I haven't found all the pieces I have a lathe in my shop in my basement. And I haven't found all the pieces yet. There wasn't a whole lot of it left on the lathe after it exploded. I thought it was pretty cool, so I glued it back together. And this is what they call spalted maple. That's what all these lines in here are. It's actually rot. It's still strong enough to use it, but it's not too far rotten. These are actually out of the same piece of wood. All of these are maple. I've only mostly sold them at my church bazaar every Christmas. My wife signed me up several years ago, and it's kind of neat. It is Fellowship of Praise in Clarksville, Ohio. December 7th, we are having another church bazaar.